students, today we will work out problems under the heading Issue of Shares at Premium, where there is forfeiture of share and reissue. Premium means when the issue price of the shares is more than its nominal value, it is termed as issue of shares at a premium. Forfeiture means cancellation of the rights of the shareholders for the non-payment on allotment or call money. So remember that the forfeiture will happen on calls itself. Whatever the shares which are being forfeited will be reissued by the company for public subscription. So here you have the first problem. Let's look into the question. Mike Mining Company Limited invited applications for 50,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 10 per share. The amount was payable as follows: an application rupees 20 per share, an allotment rupees 60 per share, including premium, on first and final call rupees 30 per share. All the shares were subscribed and money fully received with the exception of first and final call on 5,000 shares. And the directors forfeited these shares and reissued them, fully paid at rupees 70 per share. Now we need to pass the necessary journal entries. So from the question we understand, students, that the Mike Mining Company has invited applications of 50,000 equity shares which are being fully subscribed. The shares are being issued at rupees 100 per share with a premium of rupees 10 per share. So from the question we understand that if we add 20 rupees on application, 60 on allotment and 30 on calls, we will get the issue price as 110 rupees. That means the share is being issued at a premium. Now the question says that on allotment rupees 60 per share including premium, meaning to say that 10 rupees is the premium amount which is included in allotment. So that means the allotment money is 50. So 10 plus 50 is going to be 60 rupees on allotment including the premium money. Now all the shares are subscribed. That means whatever the shares which are being issued by the company, for all the shares the public has subscribed, but they have not received money on first and final call on 5,000 shares, for which the directors are forfeiting these shares. So over here, these shares means 5,000 shares on which the company has not received the money, and the same shares are being reissued. So if they are reissuing it, it is at a discount. How? The face value is 100 rupees. The reissue value is 70. So that means the reissue is at a discount of rupees 30. Let's pass the necessary journal entries. In the books of Mike Mining Company Limited, we know the format of journal. The first journal entry is for the application money being received for 50,000 equity shares of rupees 20 each. 10 lakh is debited and credited. For the application money being transferred to share capital account, equity share application account debit to equity share capital account, 10 lakhs is being debited and credited. Remember students, in this particular question, the equity shares are being issued. So hence you need to mention equity for the journal entries while you are writing it. Now the third journal entry, we know that the share is being issued at a premium. So what is the premium amount? It is 10 rupees, which is already included in the allotment money. So equity share allotment account debit is going to be 50,000 equity shares of rupees 60 each. On security premium, it is 10 rupees. So to security premium account, it's going to be 50,000 into 10 rupees, where 5 lakh is being credited. To equity share capital account, 50,000 into 50, the amount which is credited is 25 lakh. So if you do the totals, we will get 30 lakhs on both the sides. Security premium is a gain for the business, hence it is being credited. The next journal entry is for the allotment money which is being received on, it is actually 50,000 shares, okay, of rupees 60 each, 30 lakh is being debited and credited. Well, this takes us to the next journal entry, that is on first and final call, money due for 50,000 equity shares of rupees 30 per share. So equity share first and final call account debit to equity share capital account 15 lakhs, okay, is being debited and credited. Now we have the next journal entry for the call money being received, where we haven't received for 5,000 shares out of 50,000. So bank account debit to equity share first and final call account. Out of 50,000 shares, we have not received for 5,000 shares. If we reduce it, we will get 45,000. On first and final call, amount is 30 rupees per share. Hence, the amount that is debited and credited is 13 lakhs 50,000. This takes us to the next journal entry, that is for the forfeiture. So forfeiture means cancellation of the rights of the shareholders for the non-payment on calls of 5,000 shares of rupees 100 each. Hence, the journal entry will be equity share capital account debit to forfeiture share account to equity share first and final call over here on 5,000 shares which are being forfeited of rupees 100 each. Rupees 5 lakh is being debited. The forfeiture share account will be 5,000 shares of rupees 70, 3,50,000 credited. 5,000 into 30, 30 per share on first and final call as mentioned in the question. Amount that is credited is 1,50,000. So here students, 30 is what is being unpaid. Paid up amount is 70. Called up amount is 100 rupees. Now, the same shares, that is 5,000 shares, are being reissued for public subscription. So, bank account debit, forfeiture share account debit to equity share capital account. The reissue value is 70. So, on 5,000 shares of rupees 70 each, rupees 3,50,000 is being debited. On 5,000 shares, the forfeiture share account is being debited with 30 rupees, which is a discount amount. 1,50,000 is debited. So 5,000 into 100, which is the call up money, rupees 5 lakh is being credited. So here you can see reissue is 70 rupees, discount is 30 rupees. 100 minus 70, you will get 30 rupees. So the company has reissued the forfeited shares. Out of reissue, the company has got a gain that is being recorded as forfeiture share account debit to capital reserve account, being forfeited account money transferred to capital reserve account. So over here we have a credit entry of forfeiture which is 3,50,000 and a debit entry of forfeiture which is 1,50,000. So 3,50,000 minus 1,50,000, the company has gained an amount of rupees 2 lakh which is transferred to capital reserve account. Now students, though the question says the shares are being issued at a premium, except for the third journal entry where you will show security premium account which is being credited, the rest of the journal entries remains the same. So premium is actually not affecting your forfeiture, it is not affecting your reissue. So this makes up your 12 mark question. Thank you.